Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to reveal to you how to make money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing. So this is going to be a beginner friendly videos and I'm going to walk you through the entire step, and this is going to be a step-by-step Digistore tutorial. So I'm going to show you everything you need to know, how to pick an offer, and the most important thing, I also going to reveal to you the 100% free traffic. So we're going to be utilizing 100% free traffic, so there's no investment needed. You don't even need to invest any dime in order to drive traffic to your Digistore affiliate marketing offer, right? So stick around if you want to discover everything, and be sure to stick around until the end of this video, and then you're going to be able to have your own marketing campaign up and running. All right, so before we start, if you just came across to this video, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. So in this channel, I talk a lot about how to make money online, how to make money with affiliate marketing, how to make money with Digistore, and online marketing in general. So consider subscribing if that type of content is your jam. And be sure to smash the like buttons because it does help the algorithm so that I could reach more people out there, right? So as you can tell, we're going to be utilizing Digistore. So head off to Digistore24, and if you haven't yet already get sign up, you can do it. It is very simple. There's no investment needed, and Digistore is 100% free, right? So once you get signed up for free, you're going to be able to land on this particular site. So as you can see on the left corner here, so this is all the digital product available, or this is all the categories available in Digistore24. As you can see, there are a bunch of categories available. So email marketing, dating and relationship, which is the one that we're going to be utilizing in this particular video, education, family and kids, health and fitness. This is also a very big niche. So if you have no idea what type of product that you want to promote, I highly recommend you to go to these three niches, which is relationship, fitness and health, and then business and marketing, right? So business and environment, or e-business and e-marketing, because these three niches are the top niches in the world. So you can literally make a lot of money with these three niches, right? So but if you have any idea, all right, so any product that you want to promote, for example like games and fun, this is also top niches as well. And maybe you have like language or personal development, you can also do it without any problem, right? So I just want to some sort of give you some idea if you have no idea, right? So in this particular Digistore24 affiliate marketing tutorial, we're going to be utilizing dating, love and relationship. So simply click on that, and then you're going to be able to land on this site, right? So we're going to sort by the most sort by cut conversion. So you're going to be able to sort by, you're going to be able to see the most high cut conversion product, right? So as you can see, the cut conversion is 13%, and if you can see, you're going to be able to earn 90% of the commission, which is very powerful. And for every sale you can bring in, you're going to be able to make $46, right? So this would be your affiliate link. And as you can see here right now, we are offering 90% commission on our entire funnel. So you can make up to $180 per customer. That is insane amount of commission, right? So it has also a couple of upsells, which is right after your customer purchase this one, if they are interested to upgrade their offer, you're going to be able to make up to $180, right? So I hope it makes sense to you. So this is very powerful, guys, because almost 100% of commission, and as you can see, the cut conversion is 13, and the cut visitors value is $4. I would say that most cases the cut customer would be $2. Okay, so if you could find any cut visitors value above $2, that is going to be a very great offer. Okay, so we're going to be promoting this one, and then it comes down to our traffic source, which is the most important thing. So regardless of how powerful your product, your affiliate product that you want to promote, if you do not know how to drive a lot of traffic to your offer, it doesn't make sense. It is useless, guys. So be sure to learn how to drive traffic, because that is the most important things. I'm sorry, So there are two ways on how to drive traffic, which is the free traffic and paid traffic, right? While I highly recommend you to also learn doing the paid traffic, but as you can tell in this particular video, I want to make this video as beginner friendly as possible, so that is why we're going to use free traffic. Right, so the only downside about free traffic is kind of like a bit time consuming, but it is still worth it if you are really patient, if you are really eager to make your affiliate commission. And then once you get a couple of sales in free traffic, you can start to drive all this traffic with paid traffic as well, right? So on how to drive the free traffic, you're gonna need to go to MeWe.com. So MeWe is some sort of affiliate, social media, social media platform, similar to Facebook, similar to Twitter, and similar to Instagram. But there is a features that I'm about to reveal to you in this video, which is a very powerful that all other social media doesn't have. Okay, so just head off to MeWe. You can get signed up. It is 100% free. There's no investment needed. There's no credit card information required or whatsoever, similar to Facebook. And then you can scroll down. As you can see, it is very similar. This is your news feed, and this is also your chat, this is also your group pages and everything, right? But the best part about MeWe, it has some sort of features that I'm going to click on the pure heart here, right? This is actually the group that I just joined, and then you can also click on the chat group here, chat tab here, and as you can see, you're going to be able to see the group chat, right? So this is the group chat for Pure Heart Global. As you can see, the group chat is pretty active here, and the best part about this group is take a look at the features down here. So take a look at the voice features. So this is the features that doesn't have to add any social media, right? Add any other social media, which is very powerful. So just take a look at all the posts over here. So as you can see, people randomly underestimate the powerful of this group chat, guys. So take a look at they simply like posting the exact same things, right? So this is very good because you can actually provide value. By the way, that is one of the best way on how to drive traffic, quality traffic, I mean, because once you can provide value to this group chat, those people is going to notice that you are some sort of trusted and you have some sort of knowledge about any particular group that you are joined. So as you can see here, only one person over here are doing the thing that I'm about to reveal to you, which is by utilizing the voice here. Okay, so what you can do instead, the most important thing that you need to know, you need to stand out in order to get attention. So in business, regardless of whatever business that you are in, especially in affiliate marketing, attention is very crucial, right? So we want to get people's attention. So in order to do that, that is why I highly recommend you to use the voice instead of simply post like random picture, instead of just post like text. You need to do voice. That is when people are going to notice you, right? So what you can do is simply go to voice here, and then you can start recording, right? So type in click on recording, and then for example, hi, I'm Zaidi Mustafa here, so I'm new in this group, so I would like to share a bit of my knowledge about relationship, how to get your boyfriend, and if you are interested, you can check out the link below, and maybe you can also visit my profile. I've shared a lot of things related to relationship, right? So I'm going to click stop. By the way, that is just for the sake of showing you some example. So now I'm going to click play, take a look, click on recording, and then for example, hi, I'm Zaidi Mustafa here, so I'm new in this group, so I would like to share a bit. All right, cool. All right, so that is just for the sake of example, so I'm going to delete this one for sure. Okay, so that is the thing that going to grab people attention instead of doing like random stuff here, spamming all the stuff here. What you can do is providing value. So here's the thing, the most important thing, what if you don't have any knowledge, any experience, or any skill regarding whatever product that you want to promote? That's very simple, guys. So you can head off to Google and simply type in FreePLR. Okay, so type in FreePLR, you're going to see bunch of free PLR sites over here, right? So we're going to be utilizing the top one over here, And what you can do is you're going to be able to find bunch of ebooks or articles regarding whatever niche that you want to promote. For example, in this particular video tutorial, we're going to be promoting anything that related to dating and relationship. What you can do next is simply type in dating, for example, and then I'm going to sort by either PLR articles or PLR ebooks. All right, so you can do both method. So you're going to be able to find I'm sorry, this is not the one that you were looking for. I'm going to type in dating, click on dating, and then click on the free PLR ebooks and click on search. Try to find it again. All right, so now you can see a free PLR ebook, 5 steps to online dating success. Right, so this is all the type of content that you need, because as you can tell, if you don't have any experience or knowledge about the method that you want to, the product that you want to promote, you're going to be able to, you're going to need all this content in order to provide value. So what you can do next is, for example, if I will click on this ebook over here, and then I'm going to click close. So I'm going to be able to see all the details here. It contains 40 pages, and I'm going to simply click download on the below. All right, cool. Click download, and then it's going to download automatically again. All right, so this is the book. So by the way, if you have no idea what is PLR is all about, it is actually a license for you to utilize this content, and you can literally do whatever you want, right? So PLR basically stands for private label right. So be sure any content that you want to download from this site, it has the PLR license attached with it, right? Otherwise you'll not be able to do that. Okay, so I'm going to click on this download file here, and then take a look at the file, open it up, and then this is the ebook, right? So I'm going to open the ebooks, and what you're going to do next is just take a look at the ebook first, and then double click. All right, so this is the ebook. Okay, so I'm going to I'm going to zoom out. So let's go through once real quick. So 5 steps to online dating success, blah blah blah, and then this is the table of contents. So 5 steps. So this is the first step. All right, so what you need to do is you're going to read the entire article, or maybe just couple of a small chunk of the article, a portion of the article, and then go back to MIUI and literally just read that one, right? So the first one would be your introduction voice, right? So you just say like you are new here, and you wanted to you wanted to share some knowledge about dating and blah blah blah, and then you literally can drag this out. Okay, not this one. You're going to take a look at your PDF here. All right, so this is the one. Maybe I'm going to make it small, and then you're going to drag it something like this. So what you can do is you can drag this one out. Okay, this is not the one, sorry, this is the one. So I'm going to drag this one out and make it smaller a bit, and then pull that one back. Okay, so you can literally read, right, so some portion of this article or this ebook, right? So blah blah blah, and then you can start to test the differ. There are so many kinds of people around. Just look around, you may have a look around, blah 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 blah. Okay, so that's it, guys. And then you're going to be able to stand out among all these people in the group. Okay, so that is how you're going to be able to get their attention. And what you can do next, right after you post couple of tips in the group, and then you're going to say again, like, if you are interested to learn how to get your boyfriend or how to get a better relationship, so regardless of course regardless of the product that you want to promote, for example like relationship, so you might want to check the link below. Okay, the link below, and you're going to be able to I have a free presentation. Okay, by the way, just go back to your Digistore. So as you can see, if I click on the link, this would be your affiliate link, which is the one that you're going to provide in the group. So simply click copy, and as you can tell, they have the free presentation, right? So what you want to say in the group, you say like, okay, I have a free presentation for those of you who are interested to learn more, and simply click on the link below, and be sure to paste your link in the group, and then you're going to be able to learn more about how to get your boyfriend, right? But before you paste your link, I will highly recommend you to go to the bit.ly first. So for your information, bit.ly is a shortener URL whereby you're going to be able to shorten your affiliate link, because otherwise your affiliate link is going to look a bit ugly like this, and it's a bit like a bit long. And then what you can do instead is go to bit.ly and then simply create click create and then paste it here. So instead of a link shortener, bit.ly also going to be able to help you to track your affiliate link, and then later on you're going to be able to track how many clicks that you get from that site, right? So simply click copy and then go back to your group and paste it here. Okay, so simply click on the paste. Okay, so then you can post that one. All right, but be sure paste your link right after you you tell them. If they are interested to learn more, simply click on the link. All right, this is how you're going to be able to drive a lot of free traffic to your affiliate offer. Okay, I hope it makes sense to you. And guys, that's all for this video today. I hope you got some value throughout my sharing over here, and that is how you're going to be able to make money with Digistore affiliate marketing in 2021. Okay, I hope you enjoy, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about how to make money with affiliate marketing, and be sure to smash the like button so that I know you like this type of video, and then I'm going to be able to produce more content similar to this one in the future. All right, so I really appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.